What's up? What's up? How are we all doing? Welcome to today's public stream where I have myself and H Paul. H Paul, how are you doing?
Locked and loaded for this payroll information and some chart movement, hopefully, mate. How are you?
I'm good. Ready to fucking go. I suppose I'm going to go first anyways, and then Paul will go into second. But yeah, let's just jump right in to the charts. I know the Pro Trader Lounge is up, but we can begin. So yeah, look, I'm going to go over German 30, the France 40, Nasdaq, VIX, and Bitcoin last. Hopefully we get a bit of movement on this. I'm not too sure. I have the comments here on my phone and Paul on the right screen. So let's go into German 40. For this event, like I do expect something's going to happen on this, right? Mainly because the last three events we were on, we did have a move on the indices. So I'm expecting maybe one more high on this move. I'll be looking for a short on the German 30. Potentially, if we can get up here, swing fail this high, lose that high, I'll be looking for a short back down in that range. Pretty simple. And also on the France 40. So I will be keeping an eye on two of them. And the VIX as well. I want the VIX to move down into... See, you have to... When I'm going over these indices, you have to look at the VIX. The VIX is the main leader on these things. Oh, what are you doing? Distracted. But VIX is the main leader on these things. So the Nasdaq, it's just, they're all controlled by the VIX. If the VIX goes down, the rest of them will go up. If the VIX goes up, the rest of them will go down. So what we've been doing inside in Pro Traders Lounge is timing the highs of the VIX and the lows of the VIX for the last few weeks. I left all the boxes there. Highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows. Each of these give us a big fucking trade on each of these indices. So all you have to do is do the VIX, then go to the indices, and you'll find your trades. Sometimes you don't even need to find a trade on the indices. You just go on the VIX, find the higher time from top or the low, and then go trade the fucking indices. But today I'm going to be looking at German 30 and the France 40. Not going to be looking at anything else really. This, out of them all, I do expect the France 40 is going to be the better trade because you have a liquidity up here and a TR pocket and a VWAP as well coming in at that high. So we'll see. Hopefully we get a move up on these and we get a trade live on stream. So last few times we've done this, we have got the trades and they're fairly worked out nicely. So we'll see. But as well, how long do we have, Paul?
So yeah, we got about 6 minutes till the data's released. We should get a bit more volatility. I'll probably say in a few minutes we'll start getting volatility and the around and a bit of excitement on the charts. But you know, hopefully you've all got your levels ready for this, and you're not going to try and trade based on the data. Not a good thing to do, as we know. So yeah, I'm ready for a bit of action. Hopefully today we'll see. Yeah, I think these.
Does Bitcoin move to these things? It doesn't really, does
it? Yeah, well, Bitcoin's been dead for the last 2 months anyway, hasn't it? Really, it's been so volatile.
That's a fact.
It's like honestly, it's been a bit slow. Yeah. I'd be interested.
Look, so while we're waiting, anyways, we've 5 minutes. There could be a move before that, but I'm going to go over Bitcoin. Locally, and then I'm going to go over what I think is going to happen over the next few months. In my opinion, now I could be fucking wrong. I don't really give a shit if I'm wrong, but this is my opinion on what I think is going to happen and where I think things are going to go. But locally, I'll go over this first. What we did last week was look for Bitcoin to take the highs, swing fail the highs, run the highs, deviate the highs, whatever you want to say, and then for it to move down into these monthly pivots, which we still have not hit. So the full target on this is the monthly pivots, but locally in this range, nice fucking range, I'm going to say. It's a really nice looking range because you have a TR pocket coming in at the internal order block with an SR up here lining right on top of that TR pocket. So easily we could just go up, take that high one more time and then come down into my zone. I wouldn't mind that. And then I'd be looking for something like, okay, I'm going to have to go over the higher time frame though. That's the thing. This whole my whole view on Bitcoin was, I wanted this to come down. We take the lows, and now I'll be looking for a swing long up. It's kind of changed since then because of the way we've done this range. We've had these highs and lows, and it kind of just started to remind me. I've seen someone else actually on Twitter spot it as well. But for the people that didn't spot it, it's kind of like a fractal back in 2019. And I'll always remember this fractal because I had a fractal on this, and I had a fractal on that, and then I had a fractal on this to call the move up, call the move down. Yeah, I'll never forget it because look what has happened. We had a range, move up, range, move down, and what we're doing now, we're ranging. So I think we're going to probably move up out of this because if you look this, range, move up, range, move down, what we're doing now, ranging. So what I'm expecting on Bitcoin will, for me anyways, I'll be looking for a swing trade. I didn't map it out. Usually I would map it out here, but I think I'll just go over it now. And I have my alerts rating on these, so if they go off, then we look for the fucking trade. But we'll see. This language count. Oh my god. Okay, I'm on 3 now. Okay. Shit. Okay. Oh wait, what am I doing? That's. They're counting how many times I say a curse word. Oh my god. Okay. But yeah, we're settled for that. So for Bitcoin now, higher time frame, I'm just going to go over it right now. I suppose many of you aren't familiar with the fucking pattern. See, it's way too hard to just do it. It's too hard to do this. Okay, I'm not going to do it for the whole thing. I'm looking at the counter going up on the right as well. Like this is actually, okay.
If I do that.
All right. So for Bitcoin, I want this to come down and take this liquidity. All right. Take that liquidity. Maybe a TR pocket of this. We don't even need that liquidity now. Hold on. That's not too bad. Extension of that high. Paul, you let me know if there's anything happening.
Of course, yeah. No, just a language count at the moment.
So yeah, hold on. I'll take this off.
No news yet. Couple of minutes yet for the news, guys. We should start seeing a bit of movement, hopefully.
I actually don't think we might even get a move because it doesn't look like this gearing up for a big move. But you have a bit of a flag here, and might go up. Bit of a flag there.
Something out of the ordinary is gonna, but I don't know if we do get anything out of the ordinary. Well, we'll see. We'll see in the next couple of minutes, won't we? Yeah. Normally, big deviations give a bit of.
Let's see. We have equal lows here.
Let's see what happens.
Let me get this out. I haven't done this. Like I was going to do it on stream just to kind of do something on stream to figure out. My whole idea was, we get this 3 move up and then we come down and get a 3-wave move down to here, and we'll get that long upwards then. This is for me. Of course, I think everyone else will have their own say in this, but the whole idea of this was mainly because I'm so bearish on the indices that I think Bitcoin is the only one that will go up. Because since the indices been going down, all this has been doing is going up, but the indices have been barely moving down at the same time. So if the indices take a big move down, I think this is going to take a big move up. So I'm going to be using that as a counter trade towards the indices on Bitcoin to go move up. So that's the whole idea behind it and why I think this is going to happen. It makes sense as well.
Quite some movement already on the indices, so we're quite getting a bit of volatility now. We've got the figures coming in. So 336 versus 1.
I think I still have that trade open actually. Big move down and everything.
Big changes on some.
Payroll. What was the unemployment thing?
So unemployment report NFP 336 expected 170, previous 187. So it's quite a big change, and that's something. Some decent volatility today, and no surprise we're getting it.
Big
we
old
speak.
move down. Jesus, hold on there a second. I have a trade on
Yeah.
this as well. I just need to check. I was hoping for one more little push up. Just a little push up before you give me that big move down. Just a little bit. Fucking yeah. That was oh well, we missed it. It would have been a really nice fucking trade. Really nice. Jesus, okay. Wasn't that?
Nice moves.
That's I didn't expect it. Oh, okay. Big old trade. That's nice. And hold on. Let me see the other thing.
Yeah.
I have to, it's like, you know, you're live stream, but you're also a trader at the same time. You kind of have to manage these trades, you know.
True.
Let me see how this one's doing. Just not loading up. That's good.
Yes.
I'll leave it
Quite a
over
move
there.
down that.
Right, what happens usually on these events? You get that move down, down, up, down. So down was the direction, and then move back up, and then down again. Let's see if that happens on this one. So we got that move down. Maybe it starts to wick back up, puts in a lower high, and then you get the final trend down for the day. Fuck me, that's nice as closing that. Actually,
that's big move.
Yeah, I'm closing that. Jeez, that was a. Why are you not closing? Close. Take profit, yes. In a queue. Okay.
Wow.
Alright, there we go. That's good. So we'll see what happens. It'll probably come down and take this liquidity, wick up, and then come down. The VIX though, the VIX got that move up. Because yesterday I was looking for this to come up, take the highs one more time, and then move down. That would say the indices will come down. This is higher time frame, not lower time frame. What I was doing earlier was lower time frame, higher time frame. VIX on bullish, I wanted to make another high, and the indices I want to make another low before they get a bigger bounce than what they already did, because they have quarterly pivots and monthly pivots still untapped. So waiting to see if that happens, and that move today might be the deciding factor on it to actually push us down, because all it's been doing over the last few days is chopping sideways. But yeah, for Bitcoin, I want us to come down and take this liquidity where I'll be looking for a long trade up, most likely up, take these highs minimum. That's one for you now, you know, one for you. That's my whole game plan on Bitcoin. See what happens with that. But yeah, I'm pretty much done with everything here. Paul, are you good to go on your bit?
Yeah, happy to have a little look at what's on offer. Yeah, I'm just a bit more higher time frame stuff on Bitcoin. Just going to really quickly.
You're up and going.
Okay, so let's have a zoom out onto the daily chart, weekly chart. Just very, very quickly. Simple strategy for me so far. I've not changed my ideas in the last 3-4 streets. I'm still looking for a lot higher on Bitcoin. Obviously, while we're getting a pullback today, I say trader hours cover the lower time frame. I've just got an idea of a higher time frame with myself. I'm looking for a move up. I mean, obviously we're down, but I do expect a further move up to test some level above us. Particular areas I'm looking for are the 29,000 and potentially up there at 34 as one of the local highs for me, where I'll be looking for short trades. And in keeping with what I've been saying for the last, since June, I would like this to play out a sort of head and shoulder style pattern. When we get up to these levels, I will say that I am not going to be firmly fixed on being totally bearish and looking for shorts. I'm going to wait to see what we get up there, what sort of reactions we get. But I do envisage, essentially this being a range, just looking to trade the range back down again. This is a high time frame range. If we look at it, just bear with me one second, guys. Sorry. We look at this. This is an actual high time frame range. There is no reason why we've gone up, come down, gone up, come down, gone up. Can't come down again. So I will trade it as such until I see otherwise. I wouldn't be surprised. Say we push up to that 30,200, come back down. There is the potential if we do come back down, I would potentially see I see bullish order, bullish price action that we do move straight up from this. But I am expecting higher first on the higher time frame on Bitcoin.
I like that.
Just very quickly. Yeah, that's my plan. I'll say, but as you from a live stream, I think I was looking for these lows, looking for swing for any of these lows, and I was looking for 25,000. I think I gave that out in a live stream. So I'm long from there, and what I'm essentially doing is hedging shorts at resistance here, but we'll be looking to take major profits in this area. And then very quickly on the ES high time frame 2, again for me, I am looking for a little bit higher before I move down on the ES. Simple as that. You all probably have heard me banging on and being boring as hell about this pattern that we called in Pro Traders Lounge the absolute on quite some time ago, obviously in October, when we were looking for this area for a top, and obviously we've called the top, and now I'm looking for a push up before a bit more downside. Again, not fixed in titanium ideas in SAP at the moment, but I'm playing the trend as it goes. But I do expect a little push up before more downside. Those that are in the group and do follow us will know that I was giving the heads up that we would expect a bounce in this area, which we did get to a small degree. I'm still expecting more upside, to be honest with you. This is a potential chance trade, and be looking for a fair bit higher before I move down. Even though we've moved down today, I think there's higher before a bigger move down. As for exact levels, well, come and join the group and tell you exactly what we're doing. And just a bit of advertising here for the group, because what we do in the group, we do guide everybody through price action and our thoughts on price action. And I'm going to sing my own praises here. But if you were in the group with us, you'll have seen I've never really traded the UK FTSE, but it does show you that if you do understand charts and how charts work, and this is what we're teaching the group, you will be able to do things like find all these pivots. So in the group, we posted the high up here. I then in the group said that this would be a pivot here at 7,500, and that we would come up to 7,670 and drop, and then on the bottom here. So this sketch here is what I put on when the price action was here in the group. So I've called all 4 pivot movements on this over the last couple of weeks, and that's what we're learning to do and teaching people how to do in the group. So do come and join us in Pro Traders Lounge, please, if not a member already. So sorry, a bit of selfless promotion there, guys.
Not bad.
So yeah, they go trade around.
Not bad.
So had to be said.
Nice. Do you want to cover that now, or are you good?
I've got nothing else to cover. It's just like I say, brief time stuff that I'm looking at. I know you go down into the lower time frames and things, and I've left that to the man who does that so well.
I will.
Yourself. So, yeah.
I will go back to what I was doing then. Right. Paul, your chat was a little bit blurry at the end, but we got through it. I suppose we got through it. It happens. Discord has a weird little, it does a bit of funky stuff every now and then. But anyways, let's get back to the fucking charts.
Oh, man, I never fucking
do this anymore. Alright. Well, for NASDAQ, right? Since we broke this triangle, I've been raving on about this triangle for a while in the group. So since we broke the triangle, it kind of would make sense to at least get a bit of a bounce before another screamer of a move down. I know we planned on a few trades. We didn't get them, but at least we know it probably would have played out if we took the high one more time, and it would have been a screamer of a trade. But hey, it happens. We had the right plan in mind, but our entry trigger was lacking, you could say. So GBP USD. You want me to look at that? Would look at that. I think I had something on that. I thought, anyways. I'm not trading it, but no, it's not there. Where is it? We did the old. Let me just see. I want to see is there any other confluence on this as well. No, I don't want to use that. Let's go into this. You do have a big, chunky volume gap. Let me pull that one out. That's what use that as confluence. Because I don't like to use the TR pocket on its own like that. No, she looks a bit shy, you could say. You know. Get over there, and there we go. That looks fucking fantastic. Fantastic. Volume gap.
7.
Oh. Yeah, PTL mouthwash available in the shop. I'll buy the whole store out. But yeah, that's for Bitcoin. But yeah, I'll go over. What's up?
Guinness, isn't it?
Guinness.
PTL mouthwash is Guinness.
Yeah, I black tea. Jesus Christ. You're actually making me thirsty. I wouldn't mind a Guinness now. I should start these streams with a Guinness can. It'd be actually nice. They're actually fucking lovely.
Right.
GBP USD. I want to see what's going on here. Oh, you came up to that TR part. You got those daily pivots, didn't you? You did indeed. Not bad. It hit the TR extension, is it? Oh, shaky. I like that, man. Did you trade that? That was good. I like that. Let's see what the comments are saying. Does that mean there's lost a bit of the language? Yeah, we'll see about that. Amy will come next. Amy will come. Give him some. Bring back the charts and beers. You know, nowadays with the cameras out, charts and beers would there'd be a bit of a laugh.
That would be a messy affair, wouldn't it? That'd be messy, wouldn't it?
I think we should do one for Halloween, Paul. To be honest,
we're gonna try it. Yeah.
One for Halloween. Just
Charts would be a special, defo.
Dress up or something. I'll dress up as a IRA or something like that.
I was just going to say, just dress up as an Irishman. That's bad enough.
I'll come in with I'll put the Irish flag on the wall behind me. I get 2 people to stand behind me with balaclavas and. Oh man, yeah. I've a great. Yeah, well, actually, it's not a fucking plan anymore now. It's said it out loud. So, but yeah, we should do that. That would be a bit of a crack, a bit of a laugh, I suppose. But anyways, look. Not much else, I suppose, going on, but I expect us to get a bit of a bounce on Nasdaq, a bit of a bounce on the France, a bit of a bounce on the what happened here? Did this hit the TR pocket or this lower one? It fucking did. Well, I'm saying that like I missed it. I did take this trade. I loaded in a little bit here with stop loss above here, just in case it was going to do that, but I kind of wanted to get this on stream. I wanted to catch this on stream. That's the bother, that pain in the ass kind of thing. But look, next time I'll try my best and we'll get one. We're at 1:45. We have a session coming up, so we're going to have to end it now. But you know, leave us a like if you enjoyed the stream. Leave us a like, and of course, if you're new, subscribe and check out the Discord. And we will see you all again the next day. Enjoy the weekend. Trade safe, and good luck.
Thanks for joining us, guys. Have a fun trade safe.
Good luck.